Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling location and a stable connection. This keeps live positioning accurate. Open Google Maps, sign in if needed, and look for the blue location dot. Once done, tap the dot or the layers icon to reveal live view or live map options. Make sure Google Maps has permission to access your location and camera if prompted. This immediate setup gets you into the live map quickly, so you can move to sharing or viewing real-time locations without delay. Now activate Live Map or Live View. You'll see real-time positions and movement. Once active, adjust layers like satellite for imagery and traffic for congestion context so you know why routes change. If you're tracking a person or place, search or drop a pin and tap the location to center the live view. Make sure to zoom and rotate the map for better orientation. These adjustments give you both the how and why behind route updates and location accuracy as you proceed. Finish by sharing or monitoring. Tap Share Location to send your live position for a set time and watch movement updates in the live map. Once done, pause or stop sharing to protect privacy. If the map seems stale or jumps, try toggling location services, restart the app, or confirm app permissions. These steps often fix drift or missing updates. If problems persist, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.